Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking Channel.
Today I will share with you healthy and nutritious mixed vegetables recipe. For making mixed vegetables recipe, I took a small bunch of Malabar spinach. Prepare a small bunch of Malabar spinach, tear off the leaves and scrap off the skin, then cut into long pieces. Dip into water. Now prepare some pumpkin. Scrap off the pumpkin skin and then dice them into small cube size. Prepare a potato, peel off the skin, then cut into small cube size. Prepare handful of fenugreek leaves. Bitterness of these leaves stimulates the digestive system. Now prepare some drumstick, cut them into long pieces. Prepare an onion and a tomato, cut them roughly. Slit the green chilies lengthwise. Now prepare some urad dal vadi. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, dry roast the vadi. Stir evenly. When it's slightly color change, then add little oil. Fry the vadi over medium heat until lightly brown color. Then take out it, add a tablespoon mustard oil, a bay leaf, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Saute for 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Now add chopped onion. If you are making this recipe for Chaitra Sankranti, you can replace the onion with grated ginger. Add the mixed vegetables. Stir for 2 minutes over high heat. Then reduce the heat, stir evenly. Now add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Put a lid, cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid, add a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder. I like to add some Kashmiri red chilli powder for nice color. Add a teaspoon red chilli powder. Put a lid, cook for another 5 to 7 minutes over low heat. Then open the lid, mix well. Stir evenly. Vegetables should be well coated with the masala. Pour half a glass hot water and the slit green chilies. You can add green chili according to your taste. Now add a teaspoon sugar. Add the fenugreek leaves and the fried vadi. By mistakenly skip this part of adding vadi and fenugreek leaves. Cook until the pumpkin and potatoes are soft. At last, you can add some ghee. Our mixed vegetables recipe is ready for serving. Serve this delicious and nutritious recipe with steamed rice. Thanks for watching.